find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.
RS-232 is a standard protocol used for serial communication. RS-232 is a physical interface which helps us to connect hosts like PC to modems. The current generation of embedded systems doesn't use this interface and mostly replaced by USB. Most of the legacy systems have this interface. In this figure, we can see the DB9 connector used for connecting a cable to communicate over RS-232 interface. This figure shows the voltage levels used for RS-232 communication. Logic level 0 corresponds to voltage level between +3 voltage to +15 volts, and logic level 1 corresponds to voltage level between -3 voltage to -15 volts. This figure shows the standard pinout of male DB9 connector used for RS-232 interfacing. For a male connector, pin 2 is RxD, pin 3 is TXD, and we can understand that for female connector, pin 2 is TXD, pin 3 is RxD.